APHRC holds protest rally come sit-in demonstration against sub-clause 2.3 in Dwar Amla. Good morning to all the viewers of Karbi Anglong Live Morning News. I'm Jirbon Kilimpi with the latest news for this morning. And now the news in detail. Regional Party All Party Hills Leaders Conference has on Friday organized a protest rally come sit-in demonstration in demand of immediate scrapping of the sub-clause 2.3 of the peace accord. Here's a report from our correspondent. The regional party of the Twin Hill districts of Karbi Anglong do welcome the 6 underground groups who are also the prime signatories in the peace accord for laying weapons for peace, but has flayed sub-clause 2.3 of the agreement, stating that it is not acceptable to the people of the Hill districts under any circumstance, as it would dilute the powers of the Autonomous Council formed under 6th schedule to the Constitution of India. APHRC Dwar Amla constituency leader Habbe Intilijang reaffirmed party's stand, stating that keeping 10 seats for open category is unacceptable and must be junked immediately without any further delay. The APHRC Dwar Amla constituency leader also said that the 6 signatories along with all the KAC elected representatives would all be regarded as traitors of the tribal people in the history of Twin Hill districts of Karbi Anglong.
APHRC pencenglok dak pini inglong arat pinangan nitun cingrum lo kacingrum nang ko thekelayan lo non lambon nga chetok along long recap kece akhepan kepek detke nitun kroi thekte lapen la long recap close 2.3 labang so close bang prap jin ben apor do sek labang withdraw nang yi la withdraw deb dang ke la kacetok tum lamdon chetok tum mokebang jilangar ni alang itum nongno lapen thorki mo along alang itum se adai duji lake ni tum kardak pen injelo lapen khepan kivir lut labang so a close 2.3 kece khepan longle ke pek det ke ni tum kroi tek te nang tum kroi mara tum kroi tek te
Dwar Amla APHRC President Longkitimung called upon the elected representatives to immediately junk the sub-clause for the survival and security of the tribal people and their ancestral land.
Amla Eknong Amla constituency ahin pen la peace accord alam puthak amutpi nili nengi det po la sa amutpi alam bang kelalo kidam tang September cheklo tarik kli la sit kep mane 10 seat open for all pu alam dona puthak nilitum APSL sia song pen stame chedon dun de pu pinilitum nengduk chopaklang as tim Karbi Anglong tum hanstame nilitum na so nengduk lamang chopiklang lo lapen Assam state of hanstame lapen central atum hanstame la solam don bang chokche na daki tum Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council dake 6 schedule area pu chini det na phestame ilituma phan pini lason asai bangang tum deng ponde do la sa hala risim kang tang kora tum nengkan koan pene chitiming phat ka chopa chek lapen alana tum la so mon sa matela so mon sa malam don dan po Karbi Anglong la so alam don bang la tum mesen dan po se Karbi Anglong arat angkang pe tum stame aneng kharong lo sitame alana tum la so lam don bang ka chito gun da bangke ni tum ta neng duk pik an lo
Wiki based report from Dongkamukam for Karbi Anglong Live. With the theme, the role of youth is dissemination of education and youth against drugs, the Karbi Students Association Dolamara branch had on Friday organized the first Dwarbagari Youth Conclave. The event was held at Rongmarjong, Dolamara Cultural Complex. The program was chaired by KSA Dolamara branch president Medarson Tokbi and assisted by Secretary Angelson Teron. Among the dignitaries attending the meeting were KSA CEC President Simeon Rongpar, Krishna Rongpi Assistant Professor JDSD College Pokakhat, Mintu Tokbi Assistant Professor JDSD College Pokakhat, KCS Duarbaguri Zone Secretary Robinson Rongpar, GB Martinson Tokbi, Samson Timung, Prodip Rongpi KSA and many other KSA leaders. Speaking in the occasion, Krishna Rongpi said that many students are not at all aware about their courses and always remained behind in completing their academic assignments. He urged upon the young students present in the program to always remain focused, alert, and to never miss their classes. He also talked about the lack of awareness in the field of education in the area. His fellow colleague Mintu Tokbi also urged upon the students to develop the habit of making notes of everything they learn so that they will not forget. Further, he also assured all help to the students who joined his college. KSA President Simeon Rongpar, while addressing the gathering, said that there are 121 government schools under Rongmongve block. Out of the total number of schools, 10 schools do not have teacher, while 98 schools are running with single teacher. He said that if the situation of schools does not improve, there is no hope of developing quality education in the area. He also talked about the financial constraint parents are facing to afford the fees of private schools.
First, toward Baguri Youth Conclave, the Dolomara KSA branch ng Paterpi Pensi, labang sumay padupono at hipi bangke the role of youth is dissemination of education, like youth against drugs, so hipi siya. So may long, bang parot hom so say that pre-exam ay students ito manjutong duno, like that mesen speaker do menet han ko nong family pandami pini, labang so mayo nang han pa na proceed tindang ito no. Na sila bang so may long itong abisi RD di pa mga lahan lo pinanga na dak Rongmongve block arlo sila Duarbaguri ta may kapuri lo plus sila Rongmongve block arlo bangge LP school 121 lo aso 121 LP school long banabangge long ke school bangge induta teacher be lab men ke 98 school bangge da single teacher no kasi ke bang jila mabut la hai athipi and bonben ang song no ani tum kachsong moji paname ki tum cheparai pollo.
Hundreds of parents as well as students took part in the conclave where they were given awareness on various issues related to education. Arjison Rongpar from Dolamara for Karbi Anglong Live. Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council Chairman and local MAC of Borjan, Longki Timung, had on Friday inaugurated the newly renovated shopping complex at HDP Lambs Complex. He also laid foundation of the boundary wall to be constructed soon. Here is a short report. Among the many guests who attended the program were Borjan VDC Chairman Raj Buteron, Borjan BJP Mandal President Sonaram Singnar, HDP Lambs Chairman Samson Iti, Secretary Jem Singh Iti, HDP Bajar Committee President Harlong B. Kathar among several others. While speaking in the inauguration program, MAC Longki Timung had praised the HDP Lambs and the Bajar Committee for the joint initiatives to develop trade and commerce in a small town. He urged them to continue working with total dedication and commitment. Commercial activities should increase to accommodate more youths into it so that they can be saved from being unemployed. Vijay Rongpi from Dilai for Karbi Anglong Live. That is all we have for today, and thank you for watching Karbi Anglong Live.